standby, and they're off. Bahala na! Draws for your lead, then comes Elusive Cat. Then running in third is Dugas Fantasy, Leon Face on the outside, moving up Laon Laan, and War Alert is running in behind them. Heading towards the last 900, Bahala na! In command, Elusive Cat in second, moving up by the rail, and catching the second spot is Laon Laan. In between runners, Dugas Fantasy, Leon Face second last, and War Alert is still trailing the group. Rounding at the last 600, Bahala na! Maintaining a half-length lead, Elusive Cat running in second once again, fighting back down on the inside is Laon Laan. Leon Face is racing in fourth as they race at the final corner. Bahala na! In between runners, Elusive Cat, Laon Laan is running by the rail, racing in fourth, Leon Face. War Alert, Dugas Fantasy with 200 to go. Elusive Cat running by the rail. Bahala na is on the outside. And with the last 75, Bahala na refuses to surrender now by about a length and a half. And finally, Bahala na! Elusive Cat, Laon Laan, Leon Face, Dugas Fantasy, and War Alert comes in last.
I forgot something.